Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are taking you back to the Disney's Character Warehouse store on Vineland. And this is the second Disney Character Warehouse, and this is the larger one. And in this video, we will show you the general merchandise to the Halloween merchandise they have on sale. And what I'd like you to do is sit back, relax, and let's have some fun shopping. Now, let's go. Hi guys, we're back in the Disney Character Warehouse. This is one in Vineland. And believe it or not, Halloween stuff is here as well. So when you get in, these are the kids section. And more Halloween head bags, $1.99. Rainbow Reversible Fleece Throw, $34.99. Fleece Throw, $29.99. And Magnetic Clips, $9.99. Refrigerator Magnets, $4.99. $9.99. More here. So, silicone keychain, $7.99. Not sure if that's worth the money at all. I don't think any of the silicone ones are worth anything. Buttons, $3.99. Hey, for the Haunted Mansion. Water bottles. Got cups. More cups. A genie. And how much are they? Cups are $9.99. Little Groot. Thinking out about Groot's head. Gets back here, there's the children's stuff and something from the cruise. So here you have some frames for pictures. $19.99, $24.95, $24.99. There's an adults shirt section, and adult shirts are $19.99. Whereas I guess the normal price here would have been $34.99, so $15 off. Celebration of Diversity. More items here. Rainbow hat for $9.99. Star Wars. R2-D2 wristlet. So this is $34.99. This is $75, a backpack. The Millennium Falcon. And here, bag for, I guess, Avatar, $65. You got girls clothing section, including some jewelry. These bags are really cool. reusable, $39.99. Doesn't look like there's a sale on it, so no point in getting it unless there's you're on a discount, because this is an outlet, right? So this is a Christmas one. Apparently the Christmas one, they're $7.99. That's actually worth the money. I guess there's pill boxes. So pretty much everything with their name on it, you could probably get it. And have the pins, patches, using 2020. Happiness is sadness, right? Star Wars. Milan. You got lanyards, I guess, or rather ticket holders. And you got more keychains here. Keychains are on this one, that's $4.99. And that's $4.99 as well. And silicone pouch keychain, $7.99. More stuff for $7.99. Yeah, this one in Vineland is bigger, but it has more items that's geared for the kids. The one on International Boulevard is more for the family, more adults. So that's the difference, and depends on what you're looking for. That's where you go and find the right one for you. And that's it. We'll see you in the next video.
Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.